Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tamara Renaye. If you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by. So as you can see by the title of today's video, it is about this unit. It was sent to me from Asteria Hair. Y'all, let me tell y'all right now, the quality of this unit is insane, okay? Like Asteria Hair, they have some good hair, okay? Good hair. I honestly do not remember the length, but of course, and as always, all hair details will be down in the description box below. So if you're interested, of course, check it out. I did co-wash and I did bleach the knots. I did all of what I had to do because a couple months ago, your girl was really lazy when it came to doing these wigs. So for this unit, I decided to just do a middle part and just add some nice soft curls. Y'all, I keep ringing in y'all ears that I need to get myself a new curling iron. And baby, I still haven't gotten my flat iron. So I keep saying flat iron, curling iron. Until now, I still need to get my curling iron. But my baby right now is holding strong and it's getting the job done for me. But I truly do not want to wait until the last minute because I don't want anything to happen to my hands. Like, I don't want it to burn. I don't want it to fall. I don't want to hurt myself. So I really need to get my hands on a new curling iron. But as I said, right now, it's what I'm using and it's getting the job done for me. Again, you guys already know how I do my installs. Like, I keep it simple and easy. I'm using this ebony lace spray to help melt this lace down. Use an elastic band. I'm going to cut off the lace and then I'm just going to get right into styling. Going in with some hair wax and my hot comb to get the hair at the top, like the frontal piece itself. I want it to lay flat. I'm not a fan of like baby hairs like that, so you guys do notice I don't do like any baby hairs or anything like that. But if that's what you want to do, by all means do you, boo. Sometimes I do feel like I should add some swoops to be a little extra, but I'm not a baby hair swoop type of girl. Like, if you're new to the channel, I'm letting you know. If you're not new, then you already know what it is, right? Okay, just gonna throw in some soft curls. This body wave unit, it is just like, I love it so much. It is so silky and smooth. It takes the hot tools so well, and I really love that. I definitely want to try this straightened and try to do like a side part or something. Let's see. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, all hair details will be down in the description box below. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that little bell to be notified whenever I upload a video so you never miss a video. Follow me on Instagram at Tamara Renaye, TikTok at Tamara.Renaye. Keep up with me on my blog at www.tamararenaye.com. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Bye.